All right.
So, Chris.
Tom, is it?
It is, yeah. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Just Tom Hiddleston.
Yeah, okay, sure.
Tell me about Spider-Man. Why wasn't Thor in that one?
Oh, because, you know, it was really for, like, the front-running Avengers in this movie. You know, it's all about kind of who's going to step up and take RDJ's spot. Which
is why I asked, where was Thor? That's why.
The last time I saw you, you were a little bit portly.
Yeah, yeah.
How have you, I mean...
Oh, it was, I just went full method on that one.
You know, did you?
This is my Oscar attempt.
Yeah.
And so I sort of blew out intentionally.
Sure. Good for you.
Beard.
The beard was real.
I'm pretty sure I got it in the bag, actually. I've already cleared the mantelpiece for the thing.
I imagine so.
I saw a copy of this down at the markets in Kuta.
Did you? Sick.
They've recast you already.
Who with?
Jake Gyllenhaal.
Oh, really?
Tom, who's your favourite actor in the whole world? You can say
Liam Hemsworth is up there, man. He's great.
He's great,
in the Hunger Games,
yeah.
he's really good.
Any other Hemsworths that...
Luke Hemsworth's also super talented.
Yeah.
Super talented.
And if you had to have one more Hemsworth, would there be...
I think...
Would it start with a C?
India Hemsworth has potential. She could grow up to be a great actress one day, I'm sure.
Okay, let's move on. Tell us about Men in Black.
I just knew this one was going to be like slam dunk, amazing.
Thank you, thank you. Everyone who's seen it has said it's their favourite film in the history of cinema.
They have they? Who's seen it?
The smartest group of people in the world. We assembled them.
Avengers assembled.
Kind of like Avengers, but critically.
Sick.
And they went and watched it and said, best movie all the time. Why about this film?
It's only super exciting and it's adventurous and the action's way bigger and it's just like the continuation of the biggest cinematic moment in history.
Terrific.
Amazing. Thanks, mate.
Love you.
Lots of love, mate.
Thanks, Tom.
See you soon.